Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered about the amazing things you see? The world is full of incredible natural phenomena, from colourful rainbows to the dancing lights of the aurora borealis. Isn't science cool? These aren't just pretty things to look at. These phenomena help us understand how our planet works. By learning about the science behind them, we can appreciate the world around us even more. Let's dive in and explore some of these wonders together. What is more cheerful than a bright rainbow after a rainstorm? It's like nature's way of smiling at us, bringing a burst of colour to the sky. But how do these colourful arcs form in the sky? Have you ever wondered about the science behind this beautiful phenomenon? Well, it all starts with sunlight and raindrops. After a rainstorm, when the sun peeks through the clouds, magic begins to happen. Sunlight is actually made up of all the colours of the rainbow combined. It's a mix of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. When light passes through a raindrop, it bends. This bending of light is a fascinating process. This bending is called refraction. It's the same principle that makes a straw look bent when placed in a glass of water. Different colours of light bend at slightly different angles. This is why we see a spectrum of colours. Red light bends the least, and violet light bends the most. This difference in bending causes the colours to spread out. This separation of colours causes the light to spread out into a spectrum, just like a prism. It's a beautiful display of nature's physics. So the next time you see a rainbow, remember that you're looking at sunlight that has been bent and reflected through thousands of tiny raindrops. It's a natural wonder that never fails to amaze. Cool, right? Imagine a sky shimmering with green, pink and purple lights, dancing across the horizon in a mesmerizing display. That's the magic of the northern lights, also known as the aurora borealis. This natural phenomenon has fascinated humans for centuries. This spectacular light show happens near the Earth's poles, where the conditions are just right for this celestial ballet. These lights are caused by the sun, our very own star, which plays a crucial role in this phenomenon. The sun constantly sends out a stream of charged particles called the solar wind, which travels millions of miles through space. When these particles hit the Earth's atmosphere, they interact with gases like oxygen and nitrogen, creating a stunning visual effect. This interaction excites the gas molecules, causing them to release energy in the form of light, which we see as the northern lights. Different gases produce different colours, adding to the variety and beauty of the display. Oxygen makes green and red light, which are often the most prominent colours in the aurora, while nitrogen makes blue and purple light, adding depth and richness to the spectacle. It's like a giant neon sign in the sky, a natural wonder that never fails to captivate. The northern lights remind us of the powerful connection between the Earth and the sun, a relationship that brings beauty and wonder to our night skies. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue? It's a question that has intrigued people for centuries. You might be surprised to learn that it has to do with how sunlight interacts with the Earth's atmosphere. The science behind it is both simple and fascinating. As sunlight enters our atmosphere, it collides with tiny particles of air, like nitrogen and oxygen. These collisions are crucial to the colour we see. This scattering of light is called Rayleigh scattering, named after the British scientist Lord Rayleigh, who first described it in the 19th century. Blue light has a shorter wavelength than other colours in the visible spectrum. This shorter wavelength is key to why we see blue. Shorter wavelengths scatter more easily. This means blue light is scattered in all directions much more than other colours, so blue light gets scattered in all directions by these tiny air molecules, making the sky appear blue to our eyes. It's a beautiful natural phenomenon. It's like a game of cosmic billiards, with light bouncing all over the place. Each collision sends light scattering in a new direction. Isn't it fascinating how something so simple can create such a beautiful effect? The next time you look up, you'll know exactly why the sky is blue. Want to see these scientific principles in action? Try these fun experiments at home. 1. Fill a glass with water. 2. Place the glass on a sunny windowsill. 3. Hold a sheet of white paper behind the glass. 4. Watch as a mini rainbow appears on the paper. 1. Fill a clear jar with water. 2. Add a few drops of milk to the water. 3. Shine a flashlight through the jar. 4. Observe how the light scatters, making the water look blue. These experiments are a fun and easy way to learn about the science behind these amazing phenomena. The world is full of incredible sights and wonders just waiting to be discovered. By understanding the science behind them, we can appreciate the beauty of nature even more. So, keep asking questions, keep exploring, and never stop learning. Science is everywhere and it's for everyone. Stay curious and don't forget to subscribe to FactFolio, hit like and share.